Good day to everyone who's watching. My name is Kasule Moses to take you through lesson 11 of matrices, where we're going to talk about the applications of matrices. Now, these matrices, they have a variety of applications. Did you know that the way they arrange those books in the library, they use matrices? Our example 1, 4 teams, Manchester United, Arsenal, Chelsea and Liverpool had a tournament. Man United won 5 matches, drew 2 matches. Arsenal won 3 matches, drew 3 and lost 1. Chelsea won 4 matches, drew 2 and lost 1. Liverpool won 2, drew 3 and lost 2. Write down a 4x3 matrix for the above information. Part B, if 3 points are awarded for a win, 1 point for a draw, and no point for a loss, write down a 3x1 matrix for the points. Then part C, by matrix multiplication, determine the winner of the tournament. Now, from our matches that have been given and the clubs, we are seeing that our Man U if their matches to be won, the matches that they make a draw and the loss. So for Man U had 5 matches and then drew 2. Then when we go to Arsenal, Arsenal had 3 wins, 3 draws, and then 1 loss. Then Chelsea had 4 wins, then 2 draws, and then 1 loss. Then finally, Liverpool had 2 wins, 3 draws, and then there are 2 losses, and then 2 losses. So we are having our teams right here, and then the result of the games right there. So they have told us to list or write down that information there in the column, so with the matrix having an order of 4x3. So my part A, I go to the information and I extract it the way it is, and I write this one as my 4x3 matrix. Now students make a mistake, they ask for a 4x3 matrix, that student writes a 3x4 matrix. So we talked about the order of matrices in lesson 1 of matrices. So you can go back and check them out if you have forgotten anything concerning about the order. Then you can look at the information. They didn't talk about what happened to the losses of Man U. That is why I've put a 0 there. In other words, Man U didn't lose any game. So this one here is the answer to our part A. Then when we go to part B, they are telling us to write a 3x1 matrix. 3 rows, 1 column. They have said they give 3 points, and then they give a point for the draw, and the loss they give you a 0. So that one there is a 3x1 matrix. Students make a mistake and they write 1x3. This one here is the 3x1, which is not a 1x3. Then also a mistake is made when multiplying, that is the part C. they're telling us by matrix multiplication, determine the winner of the tournament. Now we have to just multiply these two matrices, but not forgetting that that figure there should be the same, and the resultant matrix is those figures at the extreme end. So we are expecting a 4 by 1 resultant matrix of order. Then since these ones are the same, then we can multiply this times that. So my 5, 2, 0, then 3, 3, 1, then 4, 2, 1, then 2, 3, 2, then times my 3, 1, 0. Row by column and you add. 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 So when I do row by column, I get 17, 12, 14, and 9. So the points here, the 17 here goes to Manchester United. The second goes to Arsenal, Chelsea, and then lastly, Liverpool. Now they asked for the team that won the tournament. So therefore, Man United won the tournament. So that is our example 1. So try out that number and then you'll be giving me feedback. Also, another application of matrices is solving simultaneous equations using the matrix method.